So platypus courtship looks like a bad underwater tango, and their awkward love dance begins with a tail-biting ritual. To start their sensual dance, the male nibbles her tail, and if she's picking up what he's putting down, she bites back. They took the term love bite to a whole new weird level. After the initial nibbles, a multi-week dance begins, with their go-to moves including circling, rolling, diving, reappearing, and you guessed it, more tail biting. And this dance can last up to 6 weeks. A 6-week-long mating ritual seems a bit excessive in the animal kingdom, but this unique aquatic courtship actually helps synchronize their mating readiness. I suppose when you don't have ovulation tests available, you have to resort to synchronized swimming with a side of love bite. I mean, imagine your Tinder date biting your sleeve for 6 weeks before deciding your boyfriend material. Okay, so platypus dating equals 6 weeks of tail biting. What's the human equivalent? Comment your funniest guess below.